So then we get our break of structure. Now we need to know what's the next range we're playing within. So where's our swing high? Pretty obvious in this case, so just mark that out. It's the highest point that took out the low. What do we expect after a break of structure? We expect a pullback on that time frame. How do we know when the swing run is over and that pullback's likely to have started? We get a change of character. So here, this is just a very minor pullback, right? And then all of those candles break the prior candle's low. So for me, this is the high that needs to go for there to be a change of character. Okay, so that confirms kind of the pullback started. Now, how do we know when that pullback's likely to have ended and we can catch that next lower high? We look for a change of character to the downside. So where does that happen? Well, if you look at the price action, we had a movement up. That's a pullback there because that's an inside bar. But then all of these candles break the prior candle's high. So that is all part of the up move. Then we pull back and then we take out that low. So now we have that internal change of character, right? The internal price action is now bearish. It's back in line with the swing trend or the swing range that we're within, right? That's the swing high, that's the swing low. We've had the pullback. We've now had the bearish change of character. We're back in line with the bearish swing trend. So now we can look for shorts, right? Price pulls back into supply. Boom, we can get short, catch the lower high and target that weak low, right? So on and so forth. And that is literally it. You just always want to know, where's my swing range? Where's my swing high? Where's my swing low? What is the internal structure doing? Is the internal structure currently against the swing structure? Then that means it's likely pulling back. And then when it realigns with the same trend as the swing structure, then you know it's very likely that the pullback is now finished. The lower high may be in place. And now we can then target that weak swing structure. Yeah, that's it. I mean, I don't want to go through every bit of price action here. Let's just look at a few kind of more interesting, I guess, examples. So here we're still bearish, then we get a pullback. Let's kind of measure that pullback. How big is that? So yeah, over 40 pips. So on a 4-hour chart, for me, that counts as a swing pullback.